How to create attendance time periods and shifts. Click Smart Attendance. Click Attendance Period. Click Edit. Then, go to the settings and define the attendance time periods for your company. Finally, click Save to complete the creation of the attendance time period. Created successfully. You can click here to edit. Once you've made your changes, click Save. Click here if you want to delete. Next, we'll start setting up the attendance shifts. Click Edit. Enter the basic details of the attendance shift. Here, you can select the attendance time period you have created. Click Determine. Finally, click Save. Attendance shift setting successful. You can then click here to edit and delete. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.